Hello, it is Cheap Nails, helping you stay frugal with nail art. I upload every single Friday, and here at this channel I love using cheap and affordable products, so consider subscribing. And in this video I'm going to be doing super easy marble nails, so let's begin. I'm going to take some Elmer's glue and paint that around my nail because it will help with cleanup later. It's like a liquid latex. If you don't have one, you can use some Elmer's glue. I'm using the extra strength Elmer's glue. I don't know if this is like super different than the like original normal version of Elmer's glue. I think they're pretty much like very similar. And here I got it painted all around my nails, and I'm going to wait till that dries, and it dries transparent. Now I'm going to take my Born Pretty jelly stamper, and we're going to use this to create the marble effect. It is very effective, and these Born Pretty jelly stampers are very cheap, so you can get them at an affordable price. And as you can see, I put some white polish, and I put some little bit of black polish, and I'm going to take some metallic silver polish and put it on there. And then I'm going to take a toothpick and I'm going to swirl it all around. I am making sure that I am not like poking into the jelly stamper with the toothpick, of course. I'm just going right on the top of it just to swirl it around. And this jelly stamper and toothpick is the only thing you need to create these beautiful marble nails. So let's put that on our nail. Okay, now we're gonna smoosh it onto my index finger, and this is like so fun. Like marble, doing like this smoosh design is one of my favorite things to do because one, it's really intricate when you smoosh it on your nails, and two, I just love like smooshing it, like just pushing the jelly stamper down and getting polish everywhere. It's really fun and relaxing. Now I'm gonna take my toothpick and I'm just gonna go just right at the edge of my nail. This is very important that I figured out because it helps with cleanup so much if you just wipe your toothpick off after you run it across the edge of your nail. Now I'm going to take my tweezer and I'm going to take off the Elmer's glue because we don't need it to be in it anymore. It served its purpose. And now I'm going to take one of those e.l.f. concealer brushes and some pure acetone, and I'm just going to clean around my nail. Pure acetone does a great job just to, just to clean up the extra polish, but pretty much that Elmer's glue worked pretty well to clean up around your nail. And there it is. And isn't it just beautiful and super easy? So I'm going to do the exact same thing to the rest of my nails, and all of them turn out different because when you smoosh marble, it's just all different and just all beautiful. Every nail is just different. It's really nice. And I'm going to repeat those same steps with all my other nails. And this smoosh marbling, like, it is so fun to do. Have you guys ever tried like smoosh marbling? You should tell me down in the comment section down below because it is so fun. I've done other videos on smoosh marbling. I will put that up in the button if you want to see it. I should definitely do more smoosh marbling videos in the future. Would you guys like that? Please let me know. I really like how my ring finger came out here. Isn't it just so gorgeous? Look at those colors in there. I really like how the silver kind of comes out too. Okay, now we need some more bling bling on here. So I'm gonna take some of this Color Last TopCoat, and I'm going to put a dot of it on my nails towards the top of my cuticle, and I'm going to take one of these gold little triangle studs, which are so pretty. I think they need a little bling. So I like the little gold touch I put on them. Aren't they so pretty? This LA Colors Color Last top coat, the top coat I'm using to put these studs on, works so good for nail studs and rhinestones. It like attaches them and they do not come off, I swear. Like, it's a really good top coat. I should do a review about it in the future. Okay, now I'm putting on my quick dry top coat because we gotta seal these marble nails in. And you guys can tell me what you think of these marble nails down in the comment section down below. And if you do marble nails, please tag me on Instagram. I would love to see your pictures. These nails are all completed and I love how they turned out. I also really like how I put the little gold detail, like the little stud on there. I think that was a good touch. And I think my favorite nail is probably the index finger and the ring finger. I think they came out beautifully. So guys, thank you so much for watching this video. You can click or tap the screen to subscribe. Click or tap the screen to watch another one of my videos. I'll see you next Friday. Bye!